Hi friends, welcome to Hot and Sweet. Today we're making a masala potato sandwich. That's crispy on the outside, spicy on the inside. Let's get cooking. Ingredients for chutney: pudina, mint leaves, fresh coriander, dhania, green chilies, lime juice, fresh garlic. Ingredients for potato masala: boiled potatoes, 3 to 4 large, mashed, green chilies, 2, finely chopped, fresh coriander, a handful, chopped, salt, to taste, bread slices, 4 to 6, white or brown, butter, cheese. Let's begin with preparing a nice green chutney. Add in a handful of mint leaves. For that vibrant green color, add fresh coriander, spicy green chilies, some garlic, salt to taste, half lime juice. Add few ice cubes to retain the bright green color. Add some save, so that chutney is thick and absorb all the excess water. Look at the color of our chutney. Let's make the filling masala potato. Start with adding some oil and turmeric powder in a pan. Add boiled mashed potatoes and mix well. Add some green chili paste, salt to taste. Lid on and cook for some time. Let's assemble our sandwich. Our first layer is butter. Our second layer is a thick spicy green chutney. Repeat same on the other slice. Spread a generous layer of that masala filling. Press it down firm so the sandwich stays together when we hit the pan. Add cheese of your preference, slice or grated. Preheat the toaster and add in your sandwich. Apply butter on the slice. Slice it diagonally to reveal those beautiful layers, the bright green chutney, the golden masala, and that perfectly toasted bread. Serve it hot with some extra ketchup or more of that green chutney. This is the ultimate comfort food, made right in your kitchen. Enjoy every single bite.